I've completed my 32-bit floating point binary adder and subtractor. Now I've still to add in the subnormal numbers and the rounding, but we'll get to that over the next couple of weeks. This is just a short video just to, as an update, just to let you see how far I've come. So this is the top level here. We have our X input here, we have our Y input, we have our adder and our subtractor with the option of adding or subtracting, and we have our output here, which is the X plus or minus Y. Now I've built these up in little RAM elements so that we can put the numbers in the 8-bit hexadecimal as opposed to putting the 32-bit binary number in. So let's go ahead and I'll show you adding two numbers together. So we can bring up the Excel spreadsheet and you can get into the add subtract. And again, it shows you all the zeros and ones, and as part of the course you're able to see exactly how the zeros and ones ripple through in order to create the addition and subtraction. So let's just put in a couple of numbers at random. So we'll put in, there's one number there, and we'll put in, okay, so this has done the addition. Now I'll take a little copy of this just now, okay, so that I can put it in. I would normally be able to just put these straight in, but because I'm doing the video, I'm using the screens in a different manner. So I'll take a snapshot of this. Okay. And I'll have to close this down. So we'll put these numbers in. So that's the numbers there. Okay, so I'll put them in and then we'll just check and see they actually match up. So we're going into the X input, which is the 45D3364D, and the Y, which is 42638419, and the output here, as you can see at the bottom there, is the 45D4FD55, and that is the same output that we got from the adder and subtractor. So that's the output here. See if I'll put both of them together. Okay, so that's the correct output here, and you can see that output over here. So I've checked a few dozen numbers and it seems to work quite well. It works fine, apart from an odd occasion where the last digit is wrong, but that's just because I haven't correctly created the rounding, but I'll do the rounding over the next few videos. So here's a look inside the actual adder and subtractor, and if you've been following part of the course, you'll see that we've used a dual path architecture, and this is the dual path here. Now I won't go through it in detail because I'll talk through it whenever I actually produce the final course, but we've got our splitter here, and we've got our add and subtract button, and our exponent, difference and swap, and we've got our far path here, and we've got our near path here, and it's all built up and it all works really quite well. I'll show you down in a few of these blocks here. So again, you won't understand the blocks at the moment because I've still to go through them within the course. So that's everything that I have at the moment, and it'll take probably another couple of weeks to implement the rounding and the subnormals properly, but once, and also the special cases, but once those are in, the entire adder will be completed and the course will become available. So that's all for this video. Thank you for listening. I'll get you on the next video. Goodbye.